Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the home screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be going to the settings, and here if we go down a little bit we'll be able to see the wallpaper and style section. Here we have to press the change wallpapers and choose the one that we like. For example, I like the doggy, and then press next. Here you can also customize it according to your liking. For example, we can change the clock of the lock screen, and as you can see, our home screen wallpaper is in fact changed. So, if you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.